welcome back to my channel. For all my returning and new viewers, welcome back. I hope you enjoy this video. And to all my very new subscribers and old subscribers, it's always a pleasure to see you. And remember, I'm doing these videos for you because you subscribe to my channel. And I promise that I will try to do more videos. For all my fellow dears that have been leaving me comments in the comment section, I truly appreciate your comments. And I would love for you to continue to communicate with me because I am learning a lot from all my well-informed dears. So thank you again for all the information that you have given me. So my dear friends, I'm pretty sure you can tell from the colors I'm wearing what video I will be reacting to today. Yes? Yes. Yes. Today I will be reacting to Adagio. And if you're interested, come on, let's go. Come on, let's get into this video. Are you ready? Let's go.
сізге. Рақмет үлкен! Сізге!
Well, my dear friends, this Adagio performance is also going to go down in the books of history regarding the MASH, because everybody remember that turquoise, aqua, whatever color you want to call the suit, right? Yes, with them sitting at the piano. This is another one of those timeless pieces. And yes, of course, our prince, as always, was spectacular. And as always, there is always going to be a key change or some sort of key changes or a little bit of a mixed voice. And of course, we're going to always get them in every song. So we know we were going to get them. But what was so impressive with this performance also for the MASH is the breathing mechanism. It's like none other, and you really have to appreciate it. I mean, he just makes you like hold your breath forever and ever and ever, hoping to breathe for him, because he won't let go and he doesn't stop. So it's so funny. We have to like hold our breaths for him. But that his breathing mechanism is absolutely one of his intriguing gifts, I should say. Just one of his masterful gifts, right? Yes, we all agree. And we all know there's dexterity in every performance. But my dear friends, when our prince get on his knees, oh my dear, he just makes us all melt. Isn't it? Because we're already married to him musically. So it's like when he's getting down on his knees, he's proposing to us musically. Like you already have us. You don't even have to give us a ring. We're married to you musically. So when he get down on his knees, it just melts your heart, because he's just saying, I am giving you my everything. And yes, my dear friends, being able to master a high note on the floor in a crouching position in a foreign language, I mean, that is like the art of mastery, if there is such a thing. Well, in my book, he is just so impressive. I mean, he is amazing. And you have to love him. He looks so adorable and so cute. And you like want to go and pick him up and hug him and hold him and tell him it's going to be okay. It's going to be okay. But what a wonderful performance. Well, my dear friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Like, comment, share, subscribe if you enjoy my content, and turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload my next video. That's it for this video. Bye for now. I'll see you in my next video.